Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Thursday, 29th day of November. Here we go. The custom in Ashkenaz homes is that when it comes to lighting the candles, all males should light a menorah. So that's the custom that Ashkenazi families will follow. Sfard families often follow the custom of that just the head of the household lights, and so there's just one menorah for the entire house. Of course, you might want to speak to your rabbi about what to do about the younger children who want to have their own menorah, and lots of people say that it's okay for the young children to light their own to get them all excited about the mitzvah. And every family will vary on its custom, so speak to your rabbi about the specifics on how you should do it in your particular home. Now, as far as the placing of the menorahs, you do have to be careful that if there are two menorahs on your, let's say, table facing the windows, make certain that they're not so close that it gets all confused. In other words, on the first night, if you put the two menorahs very near each other, the two lights of the two different menorahs might look like you are symbolizing that it's the second night, and it's the first night. There are two different menorahs with one candle each, so make sure that they're all separate. Now, you know how on Havdalah night, on Saturday night, whenever we light a Havdalah candle, we specifically have a kind of braided candle that has a lot of wicks all together. That's because you're supposed to have we make the bracha of Borei Ma'orei Ha'esh, God who creates the lights, and it's in plural, and so it's braided, and we create what we call a medura, like a torch light kind of light for our Havdalah candle. Exactly the opposite is what's necessary for Hanukkah. You're never supposed to use braided candles or anything that has more than one wick in each candle when you do your lighting for Hanukkah. So you have to be careful also whenever placing two lights in some kind of oil container. Make sure that the wicks never touch each other, otherwise you would have a medura, a Havdalah type of torch, and you're not supposed to have that for Hanukkah. For Hanukkah specifically, it's every single light is a one-wick thing, and that's the way it's supposed to be. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.